101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener, and welcome back to our English learning program with fun conversation. Smart up your life, and as usual, you are with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also my several friends from BPEC Makassar who are attending our conversation tonight. And yes, we will have a great conversation with our topic tonight. But before that, smart listener, you can join our conversation too. You can practice your English skill too with us. Just join our YouTube channel live streaming, and also you can join through our WhatsApp on 081146610111. And now, in this happy night, I will introduce my friends from BPEC Makassar. There's a lot of guys here. They're a new member of BPEC Makassar, I thought, yeah. So, guys, please say hi to smart listener. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So, how are you?
Pretty fine, yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Well, before we have a conversation tonight, please introduce yourself one by one to smart listener from the beautiful one.
Alright, thanks for the chance. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Alisa. I'm from BPC Makassar. I was the oldest committee, I guess, here.
Oh yes.
We can look, I guess, from the face. And I'm 22 years old, and I'm working. And I guess that's all.
Okay. So beside Alisa, we have Mr.
Yusril.
Who?
Yusril.
Okay. We have Mr. Yusril. Introduce yourself, Mr. Yusril.
Okay guys, thanks for the chance. So my name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You can call me Yusril. I'm from Pintar actually, but here I live in Maros. And I'm the new member of BPEC, and I'm a student in Islamic State University in
Okay.
English and Literature Department. Thank you.
Okay. The next one is.
Okay. Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself. My full name is Abdul Wahid Binta Pamungkas. My nickname is Wahid. I come from what is? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay. I come from Sugnasa. I study in English education in Unism Makassar, and I the new member of BPC. Okay.
Okay. Well, next one.
Well, thank you for the chance given to me. So my name is Aldan Wiranata. So you guys can call me Aldan. Now I'm a college student in State University of Makassar. Engineering student, specifically civil engineering.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and same with my friend here. I'm the new member of BPEC. Now I'm in the first time to join in Smart FM. Thank you,
Okay,
Smart FM.
so welcome to our studio. So the last one is.
Okay, thank you for the chance. So my full name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. My friends call me Dafa. I'm still 17 years old. I am senior high school student. I study at Golden Gate School near Losari Beach. I'm a new member of BPC.
So guys, thank you so much for coming, and so happy to see you tonight. And yes, happy to welcoming you to our studio and having a good conversation tonight, I hope. Well, as usual, before I tell you the topic of our conversation tonight, please tell smart listener, introduce what BPEC is to smart listener.
So BPC is the oldest English community in Makassar. Every Sunday BPC have meeting called weekly Sunday meeting. So the in weekly Sunday meeting there are 6 items. First is who am I? So in who am I, we introduce ourselves in front of the participant. Second is icebreaking. Icebreaking means that the committee give us a little question to the participant on also doing some exercise. Third is DND. DND is discuss and debating. We discuss a topic and then we debate the topic. In the debating, we have two sides. In the right side, if In the right side is the pro side to the topic, and the left side is the contra side to the topic. The fourth is entertainment. And the fourth is building skill. In building skill, we learn English structure like grammar, homophone, adjective order. And the fifth is entertainment. So among us will go ahead in front of the participant and present their skill. And the last is announcement. Announcement like invitation that someone have to invite their participant to their activity. Maybe that's
Okay, that's all. The
Yeah.
activity on your weekly Sunday meeting that held by BPEC Makassar. So there's a lot of activities, smart listener, that you can join with the member of BPEC Makassar, and you have to put the highlight. The activity is free of charge. Yeah.
free of.
There is no charge given to you if you want to join their meeting and yes, improve your English skill with them. Well, that's all about BPEC Makassar. And now we are going to talk about about something that I believe that you are also how to say interest to discuss about it, something that related to your childhood, and yes, maybe right now is still related to your life. Yeah. So how to say? Okay, we are going to talk about the game, especially the traditional and the modern game. So guys, would you like to tell me which traditional games is you love the most since you were child until right now, and you have a memory about it? Please, ladies first.
Well, thank you, Miss. It was a really nice experience when I was in childhood times. I mean, it's really been a long time ago when I was a kid. I get a lot of friends near from my home. We used to play hide and seek, or
Yes.
in Makassar we call it sembunyi-sembunyi, I guess.
Yes.
It's really fun game. After that, in my elementary school, I used to play asin-asin. I don't know how to say in English or Indonesia. We used to play mini ball. I don't know. It's a I always forgot the name, and also dende. I don't know how to say in Indonesia.
Yes.
It's a lot of really fun game, and it was really great memories also.
Okay, so soon we'll know what's memory that you cannot forget from the moment in your childhood playing these games. So from Yusril, how
Okay.
about you?
Okay. About if we talk about my most favorite game when I was child is actually we called it as kelereng.
Yes.
You know it, right?
Yes.
So that's my favorite game. That's actually called traditional game because when I was a child, I'm not playing phone, so I just doing that with my friends, so we can build our social life with our friends. So I really like it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes, when we were a child, we didn't know about gadget, about digital life. Yes. Yeah. So, the next one, Wahid. What about you, Wahid? Mention one traditional games that you love the most.
Okay, thank you the opportunity. So when I was child, so I have a lot of friends. So the most traditional game is the cops versus the rope. It's polisi
Oh.
like that. Begitu. I think
Okay.
we take the push to choose our team, and then and we push again to select what we become, the police or the cops. So if we the police, so we have to catch the
The cup.
no, the robber
Oh, okay.
yeah, we have to the what's the cop,
Uh-huh.
the robber. So I think that so really amazing. So I cannot forget about this moment. I think next.
Okay. Yes, Alden?
Well, maybe same with sister hide and seek because those experience I've never forgot because when I was young I live in the middle of the village, so that's why I spend much time on outside and with my friends. Keeping touch in each other, so that's why many films that we are experienced
Okay.
hide and seek and clearing, maybe all those of games, traditional game,
Yes, yes.
because
yes.
we are playing every day, right? So that's why those experience I never forgot.
Yes.
And I didn't get right now until right now. So that's why I
Oh.
really miss that.
Yes, yes. So the last one from the youngest one.
Youngest one.
Dova?
So when I a child, especially in elementary school, I really love to play forts. In Makassar, we call in Makassar is bomb, play bomb bomb.
Mm.
So we have bomb bomb. So we have two sides. And
The
Team
games
A.
that we play with the ball or
no, we
No.
touch. We touch each other.
Yes.
There are two teams, Team A and Team B, and every team defends their side. There is how to say that? How to say that again? I forgot the name.
Mention it in Bahasa.
Like a tower.
Oh
Yeah,
yes.
tower. You defend. There is one person that defend the tower, and then four of the team try to attack the opponent to team A, for example. And then if we get caught, we become prisoner. And then
Oh yes, I see.
and then our teams will save us by touching my, for example, touching my hands, and will save us. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe that's all.
Okay. Well, that's very, how to say, very lovely games, and I believe that you have a big memory with the games.